If you're annoyed that you can't get any proxies to the website unblocker, I'm going to show you exactly how to get how many you want. So search up replit.com and you get brought to this website. When you are here, at the top right hand corner, you're going to be able to log in. I'm already logged in, but just make sure you log in and press continue with Google. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to search up Nebula or any other proxy you want, but I suggest you search Nebula. When you are here, you can see many different ones. You can pick any of these, but my favorite is this one right here with 4.5k shares. And then the next thing you're going to want to do is press fork and run, and then press fork REPL. The next thing you're going to want to do when you do that is you're going to get brought to this page, and then sometimes you have to press run at the top, but here I already pressed run. And then when you are here, you're going to want to make sure you wait for this page to load, and then press new tab in the top right hand corner, and then you can search up whatever you want, such as google.com, discord.com, any website that you want, and it will say like waiting for server and stuff, and then it'll load you in. And yeah, thank you for watching. Subscribe.